glitter in the sacred light, proclaiming with a mighty roar, God Almighty we adore. Holy, holy, holy Lord, you are mighty evermore. All creation sings your name in this grand celestial flame.